everybody, my name is Khanya and today I am making the most epic plant-based burger using gorgeous orange sweet potatoes, spelt and barley and mushrooms. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these awesome Kara orange sweet potatoes. I'm going to first halve them and then cut them into smaller chunks like this. And we're pretty much done. This is the dish. Jokes. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to roast these with some of this amazing North African chermoula blend, which is my favorite at the moment. Long story short, we're done with the roasting. Here are beautiful Kara orange sweet potatoes. I smushed them up just a little bit just to break them down. And now we're gonna put together our fantastic patties. Some mushrooms. These add like a really cool texture. The spelt and barley gives it such tremendous texture, you guys. We've got this roasted garlic, which is kind of new from Woolies. So I'm gonna do a little bit of coriander and some dill because I love dill. What is next is we've got these toasted breadcrumbs, we've got some oregano, dried, my absolute fave, Spanish smoked paprika. And now we're going to stir everything together. And remember, there's never a reason not to season. So I'm gonna shape these up. These would be really, really good as well in the form of balls, deep fried, as a little snack or in a salad. And now I'm gonna fry these. Okay. We're gonna grab a non-stick pan, put an adequate amount of oil in there. There we go. And then I'm gonna add another one. And we're gonna get them to go nice and golden brown. That would be about 4 minutes per side. Alrighty, here are our delicious plant-based patties. And now what we're gonna do is some really, really creative burger assembling, okay? We've got these amazing gluten-free multi-seed buns. We've got this vegan burger mayo, which has changed my life. I think that's an adequate amount. What I wanna do is do like a nice little leafy base. Okay, and now, we've got these awesome burger patties. I don't think that I can have a burger without tomato slices. Incredible caramelized fennel and onion, roasted aubergine, brinjal, eggplant. So I picked up these dairy-free cheese slices, which I have been very curious about. And I'm going to pop over a slice of cheese on 2 of these. I'm going to add some hummus because we all love hummus. And then finally, been waiting to tell you guys for ages about these flavor burst avocados. Okay, and then we're gently gonna put that on top of our burger. How beautiful! I'm gonna take some of this balsamic seed sprinkle and it's just gonna add a little extra food value here. Chips, it's a lot of chips, but it's enough chips for me. And I want you guys to have a good view of what's about to go down. All right, oh my gosh, the cross section of this burger is driving me nuts. Look at this. Doesn't this look perfect? I'm going in. All right. This is quite possibly one of the best things that I've ever made. And like, no jokes, all my plant-based buddies, this needs to be on your recipe list. This is gonna be your favorite thing to eat. Everyone in the world, make this.